right? Ashwa Med Parakrama. Not every name is important for you, but certain things sometimes are having a significance, right? Vikram and Sarva, right? Sarva Raj Ocheta. Sarva Raj Ocheta, right? That is called uprooter of all the kings, right? So only, right, Gupta ruler to have a title, that is the Sarvaraj Ocheta. Fine. So this is what you can consider. He was Vaishnavist, right? He was Vaishnavite. He was Vaishnavite, right? So Sri Lanka king called Meghavarna sent an embassy to him to take a permission to build monastery for Buddhist pilgrims. Buddhist pilgrims at Bodh Gaya. Right. So this is what you can consider about the Samudragupta. Then Samudragupta was what we can consider. He was succeeded by his son called Ram Gupta, right? But I will tell you about that story. And the next king, the ruler, which we can consider Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II. So who had from 380 to 414 AD. Right, 414 AD. Now see, Samudragupta was succeeded by his son Ram Gupta, right? But Ram Gupta served for a very short period, right? Only few months. He was the coward and impotent king, and he agreed to surrender his queen to Saka invader. Right? He agreed to surrender his queen to Saka invader. Right? So basically, Ram Gupta was a coward and impotent king, and therefore he agreed to surrender his queen to Saka invader. But the prince Chandragupta II, who was another son of Samudragupta, or young brother of Ram Gupta, resolved this issue, and he decided to go to the enemy's camp in the guise of queen with a view to kill the Saka invader. So that is Chandragupta II, had gone in the eyes of Queen Saka, and he succeeded in killing the Saka ruler. Later on, he had also killed Ramgupta and not only seized the throne or his kingdom, but also he married with his widow, right? Which Ram to surrender to the invader, right? Her name was Dhruva Devi. So Chandragupta II married with the Dhruva Devi after killing Ramgupta as well. Then Chandragupta II extended the limits of empire by matrimonial alliance, right, with the Nagas and Vakatakas, right, Vakatakas. So, and conquest the Western India. Of Naga dynasty, right, and married daughter Prabhavati Gupta with Vakataka prince, whose name was Rudrasena II. So, by matrimonial alliances with two Riains or two rulers called Nagas and Vakatakas, right? He himself married with a Kubar Naga, right? Who was from Naga dynasty, and he had married his daughter, whose name was Prabhavati Gupta, with Vakataka prince, and the name of that prince was Rudrasena. So as a result of, right, as a result of overthrow of Saka rule in Western India, the Gupta Empire extended up to Arabian Sea, and he issued the silver coins in the memory of victory over Sakas. Right. He was the first Gupta ruler to issue silver coins, and he adopted the titles Sakari and Vikramaditya. Ujjain seems to have been made the second capital by Chandragupta II. Right. He had made Ujjain as the second capital of his empire. Right. So he had Navratnas in his court. Right. He had Navratnas. Their names as Kalidas, Amar Singh, Dhanvantari, Varaha Mihira, Araruchi, Ghatkarna, Kash Pranak, Velabhat, and Shanku. So these were the Navrat, his. Okay. So the Chinese pilgrim, whose name was Fa Hin, Fahin, Fa Hin, right, who was the first Chinese in so Chandragupta II's reign, and described what he saw in his travelogue. And name of travelogue is called Fogu Ozi. So whatever book he had written, right? And see how he ruled. He ruled. Ram Gupta was only Chandragupta ruler to issue copper coins. Right, issue copper coins. Right. Now, he was a coward, Mitra, and important king, right, agreed to surrender his queen to Saka invader. Saka invader. So he agreed to surrender his queen to Saka invader. His younger brother, Chandragupta II, Chandragupta called to go to kill Saka to succeeded Chandragupta II succeeded in killing Saka ruler. Right. If anybody wants, you can. Okay. I think. Okay. What is, sir? Important means, okay. Important is त्याला काय म्हणूया आपण, powerless, right? Unable to handle, right? त्याला मराठीत शब्द आहे शंड. Powerless, काहीच नाही करू शकणारा, right? Unable to handle the situation. When done, oh, okay, fine. So he succeeded, right, in killing Saka ruler. Right. Further, he succeeded okay, see, his younger brother, so Ram Gupta's younger brother was Chandragupta II, who resolved to go to Saka camp. The purpose of going to Saka camp was to kill the Saka ruler, right? Because he had asked to have the queen of Ram Gupta, right? That is of the queen of the Gupta period, right? And since by nature Ram Gupta was a coward, Rani Chanda, right? So he had surrendered her wife to Saka ruler. But Chandragupta too could not digest this thing, and he decided to go to the Saka camp and kill the ruler. Right. So he had gone with the queen. Right. ठरल्याप्रमाणे राणी गेली. So in that guise, त्याचा जो तो कबिला होता. So in that, Chandragupta too had also gone to the Saka ruler, right, or Saka camp, and in that camp he succeeded to kill the Saka ruler. Right. So that is what you can consider. Got it? Just a minute. Further, he succeeded in killing Ram Gupta, right, and seized his kingdom. That's King Malla. So married to widow. No, her name was Dhruva Devi. Her name was Dhruva Devi. Right. Chandragupta to extended limits of empire by matrimonial alliances, right? So first one with Nagas, right? So he married Right. His daughter, her name was Prabhavati Gupta. Prabhavati Gupta to the Prince of Vakataka. Prince of Rudra Sena 2. Right, Rudra Sena 2. Now see what this Rudra Sena, right? So in the Vakatakas were the most important power that had held over a part Deccan Central Asia of Satavahanas and before the rise of Chalukyas in Deccan. Right. So the founder was Vindhya Sakti. Right. So Vindhya Sakti was succeeded by his son Pravarsena I, right, who was the real founder of the Vakataka Empire. So later on, Rudrasena I took over the reins of main branch. So Rudrasena I took over the reins of main branch, that is of northern branch. Right. This is after Pravarsena, and he was the contemporary of Samudragupta. So Rudrasena was succeeded by, right, he was contemporary of Chandragupta too, right, and Chandragupta married his daughter Prabhavati Gupta to the Prince Rudra II. Right. So Prithvisena I was succeeded Rudrasena. Right. So this is what you can consider about Katakas and Rudrasena. Right. So extended limit of empire by matrimonial alliances with the Nagas and Katakas. Right. So result of growth of Saka rule in Western. So Gupta Empire extended up to Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Extended up to Arabian Sea. He issued silver coins. He issued silver coin in memory of victory over Sakas. Victory over Sakas. Right. Your first Gupta ruler to silver coin. First Gupta ruler to issue silver coins. He adopted or as he adopted titles as Sakari, Vikramaditya, and Vikramaditya. Ujjain, second capital seem to have a second capital, right? He had Navratnas. Navratnas. Kalidas. Second is Amar Singh. Third one is Dhanvantari. Fourth one is Varaha Mihira. Varaha Mihira. Araruchi. Araruchi. Next one is Ghatkarna. Sixth one is Ghatkarna. Seventh is Shap Pranak. Second last one is Vela Bhatt. And last one is the Shangu. Right. So fine. Always keep in mind this name. Right. First Chinese pilgrim traveled to India. Right. Fine. Describe Chandra Gupta's, right? Chandragupta tours reign. Right. It is right. Log. Its name is Four Gear Aussie. Four Gear Aussie. Fine. So this is what you can. But I think okay, I will still write. Not all these are important, but in Samudragupta's titles, one title is important, that is Sarvaraj Ocheta, right? Because it was the only title. Right? Still, I will write as Devagupta. Right? He had Devaraja. Devashri. Also Param Bhagwat. Param Bhagwat. Narendra Chandra. Siha Vikram. You should not worry about these titles. Fine. If anybody wants, you can. Now, next Gupta ruler is Kumar Gupta I, right, who had ruled from 415 AD to 455 AD. So he was the son of Chandragupta II. Kumaragupta I was son of Chandragupta II. Towards the end of his reign, the Gupta Empire was threatened from the north by the Huns. So another kind of which you can consider, that is by Huns. Right? So basically, the Huns you can consider as the Afghanistan, right? Afghanis. So in fact, they are not native to Afghanistan as well, and I will later on about it. So towards the end of Kumaragupta I's reign, the Gupta Empire was threatened by the north, threatened from the north by Huns, who were temporarily checked by his son Skandagupta. So Skandagupta was the son of Kumaragupta, so who have repelled, right, the invasion of Huns. Then Kumaragupta was the worshipper of god Kartikeya. He founded the Nalanda Mahavihara, which developed into a great center of learning. Right? So he was also called as Mahendra Aditya, Mahendra Singh, right, and Ashwamedh Mahendra. Right. So these were the titles assumed by Kumaragupta. You can consider. And later on, his son, known as Skandagupta. So who was probably the last ruler of Gupta dynasty. Right. Finished. So you can consider here Kumaragupta. Kumaragupta I, who had ruled from 415 to 455 AD. Right. So was son of Chandragupta. Right. Son of Chandragupta II. Towards end, right, towards end of his reign, it was the empire threatened from the north by the Huns. So who were the Huns? So they were primitive, known for agriculture, right? So they roamed